We have to face the issue of producing more and more food for more people with the same amount of land, with problems due to climate change.
The reduction of chemicals in general, both pesticides and fertilizers, indeed will have a positive impact on diversity and activity of soil biota. Soil biota including microbes, of course, but also mesofauna and other soil biological relevant organisms that altogether represent a huge amount of life living under our feet and promoting all the soil processes and functions that are so important for soil life, but also for our life. Only throughout the maximization of soil fertility, it will be possible to increase the future agricultural production in a sustainable way without facing a depletion of resources in both short and long term.
We believe that sustainable agriculture could further enhance the current integrated pest management or IPM practices in order to make them more efficient, less expensive, and reduce the negative environmental and direct human health impacts associated with the current pest controls.
The Emphasis project has been working on the development of diagnostic tools for the detection of pest diseases.
The overreaching objective of the Super Pest project is to develop and evaluate a suite of innovative products, tools and concepts and integrate these concepts with existing approaches towards a more sustainable integrated pest management.
Soil biodiversity is indeed the core business of Excalibur project. So within the project, from one side, on one hand, we try to improve our knowledge. On the other hand, we try to use this knowledge to improve the formulation of the microbial-based products for optimize their application, their efficacy in the field. But on the other side, we want to provide useful protocols, guidelines to the farmers to better exploit the potential of their own field, their own soil, because each soil has a native soil biodiversity. The first one, in my point of view, is for sure research.
The research.
It was estimated that about 1% of the known biodiversity, soil biodiversity has been studied and known, so almost nothing.
Policymakers should focus working more closely with the scientists.
Predictive models and optimal IPM strategies for the so-called super pests.
The second priority, in my view, is to support and invest more on farmer awareness, farmers and citizen awareness about soil health.
We believe that the key priorities and the investment areas that the policymakers should focus is to predict and devise the current optimal use and combination of existing and novel control tools with a specific emphasis on resistance evolution and its prevention.